Yeah, guys, don't forget I am FX Peel. Ne? I am FX Peel here. I'm FX Peel. If you ever saw FX Peel, you know it's me. You know it's me. I'm FX Peel. So we're going to analyze it like this. I like to start with H4, and then from H4 out I see, guys, it's a sell. I will be doing these zones here so that are you still there, my guy? The one who said you want to my view on USDJPY. So I was starting here. Ne, we're going to start here. Okay, this is our first H4. Ne, we'll go to H1. Don't worry. You can see, you know the best strategy that I use. There are certain things that you don't expose in public, understand? So we're talking about analysis now. We can go that one, you can search me, that one. If you want to know my history, go to YouTube, go to Play Store, just type FXP, Facebook, everywhere. Just go there and type, you'll see what you want to see. I don't like proving the point, okay? So what's happening now, guys? As you said, let me focus on the analysis of JPY now. I want to show you how I analyze. What I love a lot, especially about, I love retest. You see this retest. This, remember, you know what we say? I used this for many years and it's working like a charm. They say it's when the support becomes the resistance. Okay, it's a retest. That's what I like. And then now, as you can see, this was our support, ne? It was broken. Now our support is becoming what? The resistance. I used this for many years. Ever since I began trading well, I was using this strategy. It works like a charm, guys. And every time, if you can open your charts, you'll see this. And whatever that I do when I trade, I can't open a buy on this kind of position. Let's say I miss the trade, the market is going up. I can't open a buy here. The only thing that I can do on my previous support, I will be looking for a sell. I do this a lot. And even if here, you see now, if you are very smart, you took a sell here. Okay. But let's say you can say you are too late, whatever reason that you can see. And you can see this candlestick.